We launched the drone to explore the area near to the farm in Tibet Plateau. We didn't expect to face with a wolf pack. We heard suspicious interaction, but we couldn't figure it out what's going on. And we decided to check the area with a drone. The wolf was no more than 500 meters in distance with us. We did not expect them to see this day. The Alpha wolf started to attack our drone. His reaction was impressive. We tried to push them away with drone as much as possible. The Alpha was going back and forth with the drone. Every time that the drone approached to him, he tried to attack the drone. We tried to scare them away, but turned to be a challenge. We heard from villagers that this wolf pack come often in this area and attack livestock. Usually the wolves scary from drone, but this time was different. They give us a hard time. We decided to put pressure on them with drone and to keep at least for this day away from farm. The alpha male was slowing down and was waiting for the opportunity to catch our drone. We decided to keep the drone not more than 3 meters from the ground. Few times he tried to jump and to catch the drone. We continued to chase them, to push them away. What is your opinion about this wolf behavior? Write your comment down below.